Welcome back, little chess champs. Are we ready for another exciting adventure with queen? Let's dive in and how the queen captured the pieces on the chessboard. Let's see this example. So white queen is on e5 and it has two spots, black pieces. So one is black bishop on g5 and black pawn on e6. The queen moves straight to capture one of these pieces. So white queen can capture the black bishop by landing on g5 in one smooth move, or it can capture a pawn moving on e6. And what about black knight? So the black knight is hanging out. There is a black pawn in front of it acting like a shield. So that means the black knight is safe and be captured right now by queen. Okay. Then what about black rook? So black rook across the board, but there is white knight blocking the queen path. Since the queen can't jump over the piece, so the black rook is safe for now. Queen capturing bishop, landing on g6. Now see this position. The black queen has 8 choices. It can move to capture any of 8 white pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how it can capture? In diagonal it can capture the white knight. Straight it can capture the bishop. Right pawn it can capture. Left it can go and capture the pawn, and it can go back, that is down, and it can capture the bishop, and again it can capture the diagonal to the rook, and again it can capture the diagonal to the another rook. The cool part, none of those white pieces can reach the black queen right now, so it is completely safe. Now another example, the black queen on b5. When it moves to g5, okay, let's move the queen into g5. And suddenly it is attacking 6 white pieces. See, diagonal 1, straight 2, this diagonal 3, down 4, diagonal 5, diagonal 6. But here the catch, it can only capture one of those pieces on the next move. The queen power to control so many squares at once make it one of the most powerful piece in chess. Let's recap. Queen can move and capture in straight line like a rook, or diagonally like a bishop. It can capture any piece in its path, but it can't jump over the other pieces. Queen has 8 choices for where to move and can control many squares on the board at once. Great job, little chess champs. Now you know how the queen moves and capture like a pro. Keep practicing and soon you will be the queen of the chessboard. Happy learning, little chess champs.